Today I want to show you this puzzle from eBay. And it's a LCD writing tablet. And at the back there's a warning something. What is here? Apparently the battery can last for 1 year. Yes. And it looks a little bit weird. It's not totally dark. So, and let me try it out. Take the pen out of here. Okay. So, do I have to turn on something? No. It's a little bit hard to see. To be honest, that's not what I have expected, because the background is almost the same color as the drawing. Okay. The lock, I think I have to unlock it and press the delete button. Can I? Okay, it's clean. Oh, now it looks much better. Oh, okay. Maybe during the transport got those uneven color on the tablet. Now it's quite black. Okay, let me write something on this side first. I think I have to press stronger to get it right. Now the background is evenly black, that's alright. And here is a lock button. I found there are different sizes, but I could only find the 10-inch size with the lock button. So this one is 10 inch. And if I push the button over this side, and supposedly it should not be, I should not be able to delete it. So I press it, that's a delete lock, and now I push the button to the other side. Oh, I just press the button and it's gone. Okay. And one more thing I want to try is, let's say I draw something here. And what happened if I remove the battery? Apparently it doesn't need power to show the image. Okay, I need a small screwdriver to open the battery. Okay, now I'm going to remove the battery here. So you can see this is the size of the battery. And as you can see, the image still there. You only need the power to erase the image. Let's see whether I still can draw image on that. Interesting. I can't delete it, but I still can draw image on that one. So, and now let me put it back. Okay, I just put the battery back and click on erase. It's gone. Okay, let me give you a closer look of the tablet. Here, this part is the pen holder. I can put the pen here. And it's not that easy to remove the pen. Okay. It's good that it won't fall out easily. And at the back there's a lock button. While I'm drawing, I like to lock the erase button so I won't accidentally press on the button and lose all of them. So basically I can't erase part of the drawing. I have either erase all or nothing. And as I mentioned before, this one is a 10-inch. I could only find the lock button on the 10-inch one. I'm not too sure whether some seller forgot to put the lock button or it's only available on 10-inch. If you want to have a lock button, you have to make sure you order the right size. And here is a hole. My understanding is I can put the pen here and leave the tablet standing like a photo frame. The only thing you have to remember is draw the picture this way. It's because of the hole is only on one side, so it will stand this way. I think I'm quite happy with the effect here, drawing effect. At the beginning I thought that was the background, it's totally uneven, the black color. Now you can see it's quite alright. At the moment I'm quite happy with the device, but I don't know how many times I can draw on it. The good thing is you don't need, you can put it there and it doesn't use battery until you erase it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.